Hi guys, welcome back to new blog. Today is going to be one of the greatest day in the history. I'm standing in right front of the Eden Park, Auckland. Up to 10,000 people are expected to gather at Eden Park to do the world's largest Haka. Current record held by French since 2014 by 4,028 participants. This event aims to bring the record back to New Zealand. So let's go and celebrate. The food is also available here, guys. There are many food stalls here. You can see the mini donuts. The washrooms, toilets available here. Also the water drinking station available. And the food. The drinks also available here. Got a chips pie, chips, and fish and chips also available. And there is another food shop is here. They got here cheeseburger, kiwi hot dog, fish and chips, and vegetarian burger also available. The participants start coming to the pitch, guys.
Welcome along to Aotearoa, Eden Park. My name is Martin Smith, one of the MCs today. It's an absolute honour and privilege to be here with you as we snatch that record back. We know why we're here. There we are. Kia ora te whānau. I'm also joined by my tuahine.
All taking the opportunity to be here today because we are bringing the Haka World Record home.
Don't go that way. Run free, boy, run free.
we say welcome home to 616.
After a tour of Europe and a couple of shows in Australia, they came home early today, caught the early plane to be a part of this amazing kaupapa Kanui to be here to katoa. And 616 will be back later in the show, but right now Stacey,
Okay, are you ready as you look to the front of the stage? There is someone who said, we will respect our haka.
In a minute, I'm going to have to spread you out a little bit to get a bit of space. Warm you all up, and our MCs are going to help warm you up. And relationships, something, and love's something, all those who better.
Okay. Hopefully they still do it. The world's most famous one to talk about it. Aotearoa here. Are you ready to be in the shot?
Come and join me.